Well, here's something a bit different. For ages now I've been wanting a sanding disc machine. Now the only thing is, having looked at them in various different places and frightened myself to death at the prices, I thought to myself, well, surely it's not that difficult a piece of kit to make, is it? Well, it just so happened that among my other junk I had this here, a Servis Twintub motor. This is what used to power the washing machine part. One of those things with the big spiral thing that goes back and forth it was, and a separate spin dryer. So what I've done, using some very heavy gauge exterior ply and a light switch and a bit of ingenuity, is to produce a sanding disc of my own. And that's it, nice and quiet. Dust extraction fitted by means of an ancient vacuum cleaner down there. And give it a whirl and you can see for yourself. But yes indeed, it does work. I always knew it was a good idea not to throw this thing away. And the dust extraction works a treat. There's hardly any dust around the guard, which is made of heavy gauge plastic, whatsoever. And here the starting switch out on the induction motor. Servis Darlaston, England. Yes, I knew I was right to keep that bloody thing. And even the disc itself is made of the same heavy gauge ply. If I want to change the sandpaper, I can do that too by unscrewing the tray here, lifting it away, and then it's an easy matter. The disc itself is actually mounted on part of the old transmission from the washing machine to make sure it runs nice and true. So yes, a little bit of redneck engineering. And I must have saved myself probably around £100, $150. Yes, at least. Anyway, see you soon.